outdoor and indoor sports functions. I think the same number of sports. Yeah, just display here. Seems like the display the Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the comparison of the Realme Watch 5 versus the Redmi Watch 5 Active. On our previous video, we compared the design, the dimension, the specifications, as well as the UI. On this video, we are going to focus on the offered menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and compare the two wearables. So let's put this on the side. Let's focus on the wearables. For our Realme or Redmi Watch 5 Active, this one, we have notifications on top, while for the Realme Watch 5, it's the opposite. It's on the bottom part. Settings on the bottom part for our Redmi for the Active. For the Realme, it's on top. Okay, let's adjust the screen brightness here. Then on the other side, we have, on the left side, we have the dashboard here. It's almost the same here, the same style. We have the widgets. I like the widgets here of the Active compared to the Realme. We have a lot of options. You can edit this one. Okay, while for the Realme Watch 5, it is fixed. You can only add and remove the tabs here or the widgets. While for the Redmi Watch 5 Active, I think you can edit this one, the placement. As you can see here, you can change the layout. For the menus and features, just press the power button. Okay, the same with our Realme Watch 5. Both do have 100 plus workout. Both do have a Bluetooth call. So for the workout, let me show it to you. Exercises, we have the workout here. Both do have an outdoor and indoor sports functions. The same, I think the same number of sports. Let me adjust the screen display here. Seems like the display, the brightness is not that good. Yes, okay. Going back, both do have a health monitoring and daily activity tracking. Okay, almost have the same style here. And the same color. You have the heart rate here. I think this one, the Active, do have a much better UI. Going back, we have here a Bluetooth walkie-talkie, so you can use this smartwatch to talk to other Realme Watch 5 users without the Wi-Fi or without using your phone. So we do have this feature here. We don't have it here in our Redmi Watch 5 Active. Then we also have here an NFC. We don't have it here. For the sports functions, the Redmi or the Realme Watch 5 has a built-in GPS, 5 system GNSS. We don't have it here. Both do have a sleep monitoring. I'm going to list the features here on the side at the end of the video. We have workout records. Both do have a weather report. Let's see the SpO2 or the blood oxygen monitoring here. Measure. Let's see. Okay. Then we have the stress monitoring also. We have a sleep monitoring. The calendar, we have body energy here. We have cycle tracking. We don't have it here. We also have here an ambient volume, event reminder. We also have here the task. Both do have a Bluetooth call support. wall clock. And for the music, both do have a Bluetooth music control, but with our Realme Watch 5 we do have a local storage music. You can store MP3 files. Both do have a remote camera control. We have a compass here. I think we don't have a compass here. Both do have a find phone support and timer, calculator, flashlight. We have a wall clock here. Seems like we don't have it here. I don't think we have it here. Yes, we do have also a wall clock. Weather report. We have the settings. We have the watch faces. Always on display support. We have it here. Raise to wake. No, we don't have an always on display support. Sound and vibration. Silent. Ring, alarm, and that's it. For our Realme Watch 5, we have an auto detect, and at the same time, for the sound and vibration, you can pick a ringtone as well as a message tone. Incoming call ringtone and message ringtone. So there's a lot of options in the settings compared to our Realme or compared to our Redmi Watch 5 Active. Settings and about the watch. Realme Watch 5, Redmi Watch 5 Active. So in terms of features, the Realme Watch 5 do have a much better features. But in terms of UI, I think I like the UI of our Redmi Watch 5 Active, especially on the widgets. Another one, for the watch faces here, in our Redmi Watch 5 Active, you only have few options here. Although you can change that. Let's see if it serves as a shortcut. Yes, it also serves as a shortcut. The same with our Realme Watch 5 Active, but more options. You can also edit the watch face here. Both do have a functional watch face and serves as a shortcut. But when it comes to the option for the watch faces, we only have a limited functional watch faces for the Redmi Watch 5 Active compared to our Realme Watch 5. For the Realme Watch 5, it is using the Realme Link app. For the Redmi Watch 5 Active, it is using the Mi Fitness application. In short, more personalization option for the Realme Watch 5 compared to the Redmi Watch 5 Active. For the sports, it has a built-in GPS. There's no built-in GPS. For the Bluetooth call, you can adjust the ringtone here. This one, it is fixed. Only the vibration option. And there's a quick reply option for the messages. We don't have a quick reply for our Redmi Watch 5 Active. But when it comes to the price, the Redmi Watch 5 Active is much affordable. Almost half the price of our Realme Watch 5. Again, if you have any questions regarding the features, drop a comment below. And I will list here the menus and features of both smartwatches. Support our channel again. Like, share, and subscribe our smartwatch specifications YouTube channel. Bye.